After a cosmetics sales manager refused to replace an employee with someone more attractive, her formerly congenial job turned into a nightmare. The California Supreme Court considered her retaliation claim in Yanowitz versus L'Oreal USA. Elysa Yanowitz was a regional sales manager for L'Oreal. She was good at her job, earning excellent performance reviews, high bonuses, and awards. Jack Wiswall, general manager of the fragrance division, toured one of Yanowitz's stores. After the tour, he told her to fire a dark-skinned sales associate who he thought wasn't attractive enough. He ordered Yanowitz to replace the woman with, quote, somebody hot, unquote, preferably a young blonde woman. Yanowitz asked Wiswall to provide adequate justification for firing the sales associate, who was among the top sellers of fragrances. When he didn't, she refused to carry out the order, though she didn't make an official complaint to Human Resources. After this, Yanowitz's supervisors started criticizing her severely. Yanowitz took this as L'Oreal's attempt to create grounds for firing her. Yanowitz met with L'Oreal to discuss the situation. After the meeting, Yanowitz went on disability leave due to stress. She didn't return to work, and L'Oreal replaced her. Yanowitz sued L'Oreal, alleging that L'Oreal had retaliated against her for refusing to fire the employee in violation of the California Fair Employment and Housing Act. The trial court found that Yanowitz hadn't engaged in any protected activity and granted L'Oreal summary judgment. The Court of Appeal reversed. L'Oreal appealed to the California Supreme Court.